Blaine, you're going? Alright, here we go. The boys have been waiting to do this forever. Let that was spin for a couple of minutes, Blaine.
An hour.
Is it gonna go? Ready?
Hit my finger again.
Okay, give you the boost. Ready?
It shocks you. It's doing on the floor.
You on the ground?
Yeah. Do mine again. No, we're doing.
Can you put your finger on top of it? That's hard.
Do mine now.
Yeah, you see the little spark just shot up?
Yeah, do mine. That was awesome. Do mine now. No, I just want to.
Hey Blaine, don't touch, please.
I'm just. I'm gonna step mine. It doesn't actually hurt when you. Stop it.
All right, let's do a fidget spinner battle.
Okay.
Okay, let's get them both spinning.
And then you go like
And then you
that.
gotta.
Go kind of like this. Yeah, and you go like that. And you like.
It's hard on the ground in here. I don't know if it'll work. Excuse me. Get them close like this. That's good. Put your finger on a Mace. Oh.
Look, I won.
Blaine's won.
I knocked it off. Let me fix it. Okay. Don't, Mason. Do it again.
Blaine, I want to see if you can do it with one hand. Can you get it spin and do it with one hand? Pick it up, Blaine. Spin it and do it with one finger.
It won't work. It's gonna fall off right when you do it.
You did it last time.
Okay. Ow. Okay.
Mason, you need to go?
Do mine again, but on the ground. Can I do it? Daddy, why can we not try? The air level is very low. Can we try doing it?
Are you filming it, Blaine?
Yeah.
You can do it. I'll turn the music on. Don't worry about that.
Watch this. It's one fidget spinner going maximum power. Where's my other way? My fidget spinner. It looks like it's going really slow, but it's going so fast that it looks like it's going slow. Do it again. Daddy, try. It is really loud. It is really loud. It almost broke my eardrums. Daddy. Why?